Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Fill in the blanks. A window in a building is at height of 16 meters from the ground. The angle of depression of the point P on the ground from the window is 30 degrees. The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the point P is 60 degrees. Then find the height of the building. So let's see. Let's try and visualize the situation here. So this is the position of window. This is the position of window, and and the question says that angle of depression of this point P is 30 degrees from this height, that is 16-meter height. So this angle is 30 degrees according to the question, and that is nothing but angle of elevation. Angle of depression is going to be equal to angle of elevation, so this is 30 degrees. Next is given that angle of elevation of the top of the building from this point P is 60 degrees. So there is a point somewhere over here. This is the top of the building, and angle of elevation of top of the building from this same point is 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. This is given as 16 meters. We have to find height of the building. Let h be the height of the building. Let h be the height of the building. So we have this in front of us. Now we know angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation. Therefore angle, let's call it A and let's call this point B. Therefore angle BPA equal to 30 degree. Also let's call this point C, and angle CPA equal to 60 degrees. Now we know tan of 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3. Also we know that tan of any angle is given by opposite upon adjacent side. Opposite side upon adjacent side, which in this case is AB upon AP. So we don't know AP, we know AB. So 1 by root 3 equal to 16 divided by AP. Therefore we get AP equal to 16 by root 3 meters. Now from this information we can easily calculate the height of the tower, or let's see, what's this, height of the building. We know tan of 60 degrees is equal to root 3, which again is tan, so it will be opposite upon adjacent, which in this case is AC upon AP. AC we have to find out, AP we know is 16 by root 3. So AC divided by 16 by root 3 is equal to root 3 AC divided by 16. So from here we can say that root 3 equal to root 3 AC divided by 16. So we get AC. I made a mistake here. Let me remove this. AP is going to be equal to 16 root 3 meters, not 16 by root 3. So now we have root 3 equal to AC upon 16 root 3. So we get this AC equal to 16 root 3 multiplied by root 3. So AC is equal to 48 meters, because this is 16 multiplied by 3 meters. So height of the building we get as 48 meters. This is the answer.